Hello everyone. Let's learn the qu and the ng digraph sound. Qu and the ng sound, and then name all the things that has the qu and the ng sound. Are you ready? Let's go. Now we have two letters here, letter Q and letter U. Together they are special friends and they make one sound. Qu, qu, qu. Now let's find all the things that has the qu sound. Queen, queen. Quit, quit. Quack, quack. Quilt, quilt. Question mark, question mark. Quail, quail. Quick, quick. Quiz, quiz. Square, square. Equal, equal. Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done. Now we have two more letters. Letter N and a G together, they make one sound. They are special friend and make the sound ng, ng. Now let's find all the things that has the ng sound. And this sound usually come at the end of the word. Let's have a look. Ring, ring. Sing, sing. Hang, hang. King, king. Bang, bang. Long, long. Spring, spring. Wing, wing. Bring, bring. Lung, lung. Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done. Super work. Fantastic. Hello, parents. Please visit my Etsy store where you will find many handmade resources created by an earliest teacher, that is me, to support your child's early reading, writing and math skills. These engaging and educational resources are designed to make learning fun and effective. I will leave the link below. I hope you like it. Thank you for your support.